Este arce está listo para la inspección.
De acuerdo. Mueve el siguiente lote de caoba.
Moisture levels are stable across the board.
Good. Send it through to finishing.
The humidity is exactly where it needs to be.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the airflow schedule.
In the stabilization hall, precision is paramount. Automated systems ensure every blank is...
These CNC routers carve the rough guitar shapes with incredible precision, streamlining the entire production workflow.
The maple blanks are precision milled, ensuring the truss rod channels meet exact specifications before moving to the next stage.
Check the grain right here on the ebony.
Looks good, very consistent texture.
Check the alignment on station 3.
Looks good from here. Calibration is holding steady.
From automated contour sanding to the precise installation of the neck truss rod, efficiency is key in our workflow.
Plugs. The CNC system ensures perfect radius sanding. Our team then meticulously inspects each board.
How are the tolerances on this run? Consistent across the board, right at the 2mm mark.
Industrial efficiency at its finest. Automated rollers apply the adhesive.
Pressure stable at 500 psi.
The next batch is ready on conveyor 2.
Looks good, keep the cycle moving.
This robotic precision ensures the perfect neck shape every time, though final quality checks remain essential.
Quality check passed on station 3.
Acknowledged, we're running smooth.
The automated feeders ensure continuous motion, allowing the team to organize the precise lengths efficiently.
The alignment looks perfect on this one.
Yes, the press is working smoothly today.
Precision is key here. The rotating wheels smooth the edges before our final quality control check.
The necks pass through precision grinding stations, where the fret edges are trimmed and smoothed by the rotating abrasive wheels.
Here in the sanding department, precision is everything. Every guitar body is hand-finished before painting.
The secret is in the detail. Through meticulous hand sanding and high-speed buffing, we ensure every neck achieves a flawless... The compressed air tunnel ensures a flawless finish, preparing the wood for the next stage of production.
We have a steady coat on the first run.
Looks good. Maintain current parameters.
The viscosity is holding steady at 400 centipoise.
Good. The color match on the red pigment is perfect.
Finish looks good on this batch.
Confirmed, sending to assembly.
In this clean environment, our experienced team applies the iconic sunburst pattern, ensuring a flawless high-gloss finish every time.
The uniformity is excellent across the board.
Confirmed, all readings are within tolerance.
Keep the temperature steady on zone 3. Looks good, the gloss finish is perfect. Keep the pressure steady on the cut pass. Looks good, moving it to the final wheel now.
Precision is paramount. Here, every component, from the bridge plates to the tuning machines, is measured to the finest tolerance.
The tension on coil 42 is reading a bit high.
Let me recalibrate the sensor.
The assembly line operates with cinematic precision. Here we see the meticulous process of soldering the wiring harnesses to the potentiometers.
This controlled processing line ensures every pickup is perfectly saturated, removing air bubbles to eliminate feedback.
The molten pellets are precisely injected into the molds, ensuring consistent quality across all our pickguards and knobs.
Check the specs on this batch. They look slightly off-center. All right, I see it. I'll adjust the feed right now.
Neck angle is spot on.
Good. The automated clamps will keep it steady for the join.
Alignment secure.
Moving to the clamps.
Pressure set. Keep the line moving smoothly.
The bolt-on neck assembly line ensures precision. Electric drivers tighten the hardware before the final alignment check.
This batch is running smoothly. Yeah, the jigs are perfectly calibrated today.
Here at the mounting station, precision is key. Our synchronized work cells ensure every tuner is attached with perfect alignment.
This one is ready for the
It's for the buffer.
Looks good. I'll take the next one.
Remember to route the ground wire away from the signal path.
Got it. We need to maintain that clean workflow.
Make sure the ground wire is tight on that pot.
Yeah, I just finished testing the continuity.
Guitars move through the stringing stations, where a diverse group of workers feed metal strings onto the headstocks and bridges.
Tension on string 3 is fluctuating.
Rerunning the calibration sequence.
Automated tools cut the nut slots with micron-level precision, ensuring perfect string spacing.
We use the straight edge to ensure the neck is perfectly level before adjusting the truss rod for the correct relief.
The intonation on the 6th string is slightly sharp.
Adjust the saddle back by 2 millimeters.
See the fluctuation right here at the 20 hertz mark?
Yeah, I'm seeing similar noise on this one when I plug it in.
Look at the spike right here at 1.2 kilohertz. Yeah.
That confirms the inconsistency in the bracing.
The pitch stability looks good on the 6th string.
Yeah, the micro adjustments are holding steady.
Here in the clean room, every guitar undergoes a meticulous inspection, ensuring the high-gloss finish meets our exacting standards.
Check the bridge torque on that last unit.
Reading confirmed, logged in the system.
The clear protective film is applied meticulously to ensure the flawless finish of the instrument.
We need to adjust the placement on these storage compartments.
I agree. Slightly deeper to accommodate the strap locks.
Along the assembly line, skilled workers utilize pneumatic tools to install the hardware before the precise foam interiors are fitted.
The detail on this wood grain is exceptional.
It passed the light test. We are good to go.
Make sure the cables are coiled tightly before sealing.
Got it. Sending the next batch now.
Quality check complete.
Understood. Moving to the conveyor.
Make sure the foam is flush against the casing.
Yes, boss. We are almost done with this batch.
The automated system ensures every package is verified before it reaches the stacking area.
The automated system ensures every guitar is securely wrapped before shipment, highlighting our commitment to efficiency.
This state-of-the-art facility ensures that every instrument is accounted for, maintaining peak efficiency around the clock.
Manifest confirmed for trailer 7.
All right, wrapping it up now. Move the next pallet in.
Channel 3, confirm receipt of oversized freight.
Confirmed. Rerouting to Dock 7.
All right, that's the final pallet for this shipment.
Perfect. We'll take it from here. Thanks.
Okay, place the silver axe right here next to the Sunburst model.
Got it. Lining it up now. Check the input levels.
Looks good on the green light. Try the bridge pickup.
Okay, sounds clean. Ready for display. We've got the guitar securely packed in the hard case for you. The barcode scan is complete, and here's your receipt and warranty information.
Did you find everything all right today?
Yes, thank you. We appreciate the help.
Here is your sealed guitar case right here.
And here's your receipt. Everything is confirmed.
Thank you very much.
We need that shipment moving now.
All right, the next truck is ready at Bay 3.